Hello everyone. Let's discuss the fourth question from day 4 named as accommodation. So in this we have been given t test cases which will be covering range of 1 to 10 power 5, and we have been given 5 values b, g, x, y and n. So what are these values? B tells me the total count of boys, G tells me the total count of girls, X tells me the minimum boys needed in one room, Y tells me the minimum girls needed in one room, and N tells me the maximum people allowed in one room. That means N value tells me the at most N people should be present in one room. X value tells me at least these many boys should be present in one room, and Y tells me at least these many girls should be present in one room. So if we see that test case, so what actually this question actually tries to tell you, like wants from you, is we have to determine the minimum number of rooms required to accommodate all B number of boys and G number of girls in, like minimum numbers of rooms we required from here, while satisfying all the given constraints which we have seen right now. Okay, so let us see the two test cases. By this everything will be clear for you. So here we have been given the count of boys as 10 in the first case and the count of girls also as 10. So the total count of boys plus girls is equals to how much? Equals to 20, right? So now, and inside one room at most 20 peoples can be present, right? Maximum people which is allowed in one room is also given as 20, and what X value is also given over here as minimum boys needed in one room is 10, and Y value is also 10. Minimum girls required in one room is 10. Yeah. So what will be the minimum number of rooms we will be getting? We can directly do total, as X value is 10, Y value is also 10. So we can take all 10 girls and all 10 boys, and the total sum will be 20. And inside one room we can already fit 20 people. So 20 by 20, our answer will be equals to 1, right? So minimum number of rooms which we require will be equals to 1 for the first test case. Coming for the second test case, for second test case, if you see properly over here, 1 was the answer for this, right? If you see over here, in one room only 10 people can accommodate, but what is the value of X and Y? X value is 10, Y value is 10. So at least 10 boys should be present at one room, and at least 10 girls should be present in one room. So the total count of 10 plus 10 will be how much? 20. 20 is greater than 10. We require only 10 people in one room, but according to the constraints we have to fit anyhow 20 people in one room, so it is not possible, right? So in that case what we'll print, we'll be printing -1 in this case, right? If this is clear, so let us go with the approach, what we can do over here. Coming to the approach part, what we can do is, first we will try to get the minimum number of room required. Minimum room required, and that will be equals to how much? That will be equals to the total number of boys plus total number of girls by the total number of peoples which could be accommodated, maximum people allowed in one room. So that will be the value of N, right? So we will be taking the seal value of this, whatever we get the seal value, this will be our minimum room required. And what will be the maximum room required? Maximum room required will be the total boys count by X, comma total girls count by Y. So this will be giving me the rooms which the at least boys should take. All the boys will be accommodated, how many rooms, and the total girls will be accommodated in how many rooms. So whatever is the minimum value of this, that will be our maximum room required. Yes. So now what we have to do, we have to just check, this is the min value, this is the min value, and this is the max value, right? So I have to just check if min is less than equals to max, then the answer is possible, so we will be directly printing our minimum value in this case. But if it is not possible, if minimum value is greater than the maximum room required, in that case we will be printing a -1 directly. That means that is not possible. We cannot give all the rooms and occupy all the boys and girls in this case. So this was the easy problem. You can understand if you see the question properly. So thank you everyone.